Hey guys, welcome back to AlgoYogi. We are doing array and hashing series, and the next problem in the list is find a lucky integer in an array. So given an array of integers called array, and lucky integer is an integer that has a frequency in the array equal to its value. Return the largest lucky integer in the array. If there is no lucky integer, then return -1. So remember, largest lucky integer, not just lucky integer, largest lucky integer. Okay, so we will be given an array, and of course we need the frequency of all of these. So of course, I think the easy way would be just create a map. Create a map. Even if you create like an integer array to count the frequency, that also works. But I think I would like to use a map. So I'll create the frequency map. In the frequency map, I will store the frequencies of all these. So 1 appears once, 2 appears 2 times, 3 appears 3 times. Wow, all of them are lucky. All are lucky integers. Congratulations to all of them. So what do you return? We return the largest one. So the answer would be, answer is 3. So we will create the frequency map by going through all of these, see the unique key, and then go through all these keys, check if the key and value are equal. Basically this value and its count frequency is equal. Then you will create, let's say you can have an answer variable, initially -1, that was told to us. And then if in our map, if these are equal, then you can keep updating it with the bigger value. All right, so you'll have to get through all of these. It's a really simple solution. Honestly, I can write a pseudocode here, but like, let's just write the actual code. It's a really simple solution. So I will, and this will be of time complexity big of n, and space complexity is going to be, you can say same, but like I will say k. K is where distinct values. All right, so this map we just created, these are the distinct values. Here it's 3, where n and k could be equal, right? Now should we write solution here? I'm just gonna write it on the editor. Honestly, it's a simple problem. It might not even be on the video. Okay, so let's create the map. So I'm just gonna call it values map. You can create a regular map and then go over the values and then do it. I'm just gonna write counter because we have already done it so many times. Now our answer would be initially -1. Is something burning? Okay, I don't know. So answer would be -1, and for value and you can say frequency in this values map dot items, if this value is equals to frequency, right, and this value or frequency, but they are both equal, is greater than my answer that I already have -1, then I will update my answer to basically this value or count, because they are equal, right? So it doesn't matter. Yeah, this is good. And then we can just return it. Return answer. Zoom out, submit. It's freak, not freak. Freak, it's freak. Sorry. Freak. I'm a freak. Okay. Time complexity. Plus k? No. N. And space complexity is big of k. K is distinct integers in your right here. This is the size that we are using. All right, that was a simple problem. Okay, let's go back to AlgoYogi, mark this solved. See you guys later in the next problem.